Okay, good afternoon. Today is June 18th. It's in the afternoon. It's about 3:30. The weatherman said the storm is coming. So this side is a storm. Look at the clouds. It's forming. So we're gonna have a storm coming. It's very interesting. And that's Rex here. Another side is still just really clear sky right in our neighborhood here. So anyway, you can see there right now the clouds are forming from the west side. Look at the clouds there over the mountains with the Rex here. Yeah, but it's begun to rain a little bit. So over there, the mountains, I think where the storm is coming from. Yep, and this is Crater Lane. So it's very interesting. And look at the other side, just blue sky right over there, and still white clouds there. But in a few minutes, the clouds will move to that direction. So anyway, just beautiful. Just love these white clouds and become black clouds. And I grew up in a white clouds village. So that's why we have this special attachment to the clouds here. So look at that. Yeah, just so interesting how the weather formation is. See? Okay, there's no car there. Yeah, look at the mountains there, just so clear. Yeah, and blue sky, dark sky, and look at the clouds coming. Yep. Okay. Just at the crossroads here, and look at the blue sky there. So yeah, the weatherman is correct. It's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna have storm and thunder even, and now you can tell it's getting that way. So yeah. Okay. It's like that. Beautiful. Okay, right there. Okay, the wind is coming now. Blows there. Okay, the wind there. Okay. Gonna rain. Okay. See right there. Okay, right there. Okay. You got the blue sky there. Clouds. Okay, over there. Alright. Hey, bye for now.